Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be doing a post-workout stretch. So this stretch is suitable after you are done with your cardio, walking or gymming. So we'll be taking up some easy yoga postures and some pranayam to cool down. Otherwise also you can practice this quick stretch anytime during the day. It will help you open up your body and relax at the same time. Also this practice is suitable for all age groups and all levels. So let's begin today's sequence by facing the shorter edge of the mat. Sit in diamond pose with your palms on your knees. Breathe in and out 3 times. Coming onto your hands and knees. In cat and cow, inhale, arch down, look up. Exhale, chin to chest, arch your back up towards the roof. Arch your back down, look up. Arch your back up, chin to chest. Once more, arch down, look up. Breathe in, exhale and chin to chest. Releasing all the tension in our spine. Now coming down onto your mats in prone pose, which is Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Press your palms down, raise yourself up. We'll keep our elbows straight. Feel the compression in your lower back. Toes pointing towards the back of the mat. Open your shoulders. Look in front, chin parallel to the floor. Coming down completely on the mat in crocodile pose. Interlock, stack your hands in front of you, toes pointing out, chin on your hands. Close your eyes here. Allow your back to relax. Allow your back to relax completely. Pressing your palms down, come up. Bend your knees. Bring a shoulder width gap between your knees. Toes joined. Sit on your heels. Now walk your hands in front of you in wide leg child's pose. Spread your fingertips apart. Forehead resting on the mat. Slowly walk your hands back. Coming in Vajrasana again. Now bring your hands in front of you and come onto your feet in garland pose, keeping your back straight, elbows pressing against the knee, palms joined, chin parallel to the floor, toes pointing out. This is a grounding pose which helps you relax after a high intensity workout. You can choose to look in front or close your eyes here. Breathe normally as you are into the posture. This posture works deeply on your legs, helping them relax after hamstring stretch, which usually happens during gymming or walking. Come onto your seat, join the soles of your feet, pull them closer in butterfly pose, interlock your hands, hold the toes, top of the toes, hold the top of your feet, straighten your back. Now bend from your lower back, bending forward. Slowly bringing your forehead closer to your feet or to the ground. Feel the deep pelvic stretch that butterfly pose gives you. So we're holding each posture for around 20 to 30 seconds to help us cool down. Slowly rise up. Now spread your feet in front of you, coming down on your mat. Bend your elbows and slowly lie down. Left leg straight, bend your right knee. Wrap your arms around it. Pull the knee closer to your chest. Rotate your right ankle in both the directions. 3 times each side. Interchange leg. Right leg straight, left knee bent. Wrap your arms around. Rotate the ankle, pulling the knee closer to yourself. 3 times each side. Now both the legs up, and you can give support to your thighs by holding them with your hands. Either you stay here or we'll move to Halasana from here, only if your body allows. Otherwise, you are good with legs up the wall. Toes going over and above your head, touching the floor. Give support to your back with your hands. Push your back so that the toes touch the ground. Elbows resting on the mat, giving support to your upper body. Bend your knees, and slowly come back. Only when your back is completely on the mat, bring your hands down on the mat back, keeping your knees bent. Bend both the knees towards left, allow them to touch the floor. Push the right leg, upper leg down towards the floor on the left side. Right hand on the mat. Recline spinal twist here. So we are moving to reclined spinal twist. Knees back to the center, other side. Both the knees coming down on the floor, right side. Push the legs down with your right hand, left hand on the mat. Upper body remains stuck on the mat, face pointing towards the roof. Coming back to center, spread your legs apart in Shavasana, palms facing the roof. Be here for around 30 to 45 seconds. Feel the contact with the ground, allowing your entire body to relax deeply. Slowly turn to one side and come to a seat. Sit in a cross-legged posture. Palms on your knees. 5 deep inhale and exhale. Breathe in and out deeply so that your stomach expands. So we'll end today's sequence with Bhramari. Left hand on your throat and right hand on your head. Inhale deeply while exhaling. Create a humming bee sound from your throat as long as you exhale. Second time. Hands on your knees. Observe the effect of practice. I'm sure your heartbeat rate must have come down by now. Normal breathing as you observe yourself. Thank you for joining me for today's sequence. I hope you found it useful. Do leave your feedback in the comments and share it with everybody. I'll meet you soon with another video.